guys, and welcome to Cardmaking with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute graduation card for a girl. This is for my friend's daughter. My friend sent me a picture of a card she found on Pinterest and we recreated it. Let's make it.
Hi guys, this is everything you need for your card. Base card, layers. I'm going to teach you how to make your very own tassel out of paper today instead of using your die cut, so you have options for your cards. This is the sentiment and this is our banner. So let's get started. Let's score our base card, which is 8.5 by 5.5 at 4.25. Fold and burnish on your score line. And put this aside. We're also going to put these two aside, and I'm going to make our graduation cap with a paper tassel, and also I'm going to build this year banner. So let's start with the grad cap. You're going to need two small pieces of paper to build your graduation cap. This one is 1 inch by 5/8 of an inch, and this one is 2 inches by 3/4 inches. On your 2 by 3/4 inch piece, you're going to measure 1 inch on each side. And on your 3/4 inch side, we're going to measure 3/8. So you're basically marking the middle on both sides. You're going to take this and join all the lines like so. And then you're going to cut this so that it looks like this. On your 1 5/8 inch piece, on the 5/8 side, you're going to measure 3/8 on both sides. Then you're going to put some glue on top of here only and center this and stick this down right here. So it looks like this. Now I'm going to show you how to make a tassel for this. You're going to take this piece of paper, which is any size you want, and you're going to make a whole bunch of tiny cuts in the paper like this for maybe about 1/2 inch. Then you're going to cut this off at the top like so, and literally cut this all the way up like that. You're taking this and twisting it around and sticking it down, and you're going to make sure that it's about 1/4 inch, so you have to cut this down a little bit. That's perfect. Now I've cut this tiny piece, which is 1/16 of an inch by 5/8, and I'm going to stick that down from the middle of my tassel to the side right here. I'm putting a dot of glue on top here and adding the cutest gem. Then I'm putting a dot of glue here and adding the tassel that we made, just like so. We're going to put this aside, and we're going to make our 2025 banner. These banners came from this die set. I'll try to link it for you. So I did 4 of these, and then I cut out the numbers. I'm going to add a backing to each number like so. Now I'm going to add this to this string. So we have our hat and tassel. We have our cute banner. I'm going to make the middle section, which is this. So I'm going to cut this ribbon down a bit. So we have the piece that we're going to use to stick all of this on. We're going to emboss this piece. So I'm going to put this in this embossing folder, center it, and I'm going to run this through my Big Shot machine. That's brilliant. Let's measure up 2 inches on our card. And let's stick this piece down. This piece is 3 3/4 by 1 inch. We're going to line it up by that 2 inch measurement we made and stick it down. We're going to stick our ribbon down now. I'm going to stick this on a piece of foam tape, and we're going to center it to the top of the card here. That looks really cute, so we'll leave it just like that. While this dries, we can start sticking down our base card. So we're sticking this white to that. We're going to cut off all our excess. These things should have stuck down by now. That looks so cute. And we're going to run glue, making sure we get a lot of glue on the parts that need to stick down a little more. And I'm going to stick this on top of here directly. Continue supporting these so that they will stick down flat. I'm going to stick this congratulations down. I'm just going to center it. And keeping with the theme, I printed a really cute sentiment for the inside of the card for Mommy. She believed she could, so she did. So you're going to stick this on this, and this on this.
Thanks so much for joining me while we made this. I really hope you enjoy the process, especially of making this little hat, because I've been sharing a lot of cards and I know I have dies for the cards I'm sharing, but you may not have dies, so it's a really good option for you to still be able to make cards without having equipment. You know, that's what I like to show people so that everyone could be involved. This is my tassel from high school. I turned around the date because no. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends.